Hi guys, this is James here, and this is the second tutorial of our series. Okay, now first of all, I would strongly advise you to watch the first tutorial if you haven't already watched it. If you have, then just carry on and watch this one. I'm saying that because this might be a little bit confusing to the people who are new to HTML. So yes, let's get on with this one. In this tutorial, which is tutorial 2, I will be explaining all about styles. And by styles, I mean the background colour, changing the background colour, so different colours to whichever one you would want. Changing the font, so that would mean what font you would like, and changing the colour of the font you would like. So now, let's just start off with the background colour. So what you need to do, guys, let me just say, now here I have the HTML body and one simple heading which says this is how to use styles. Okay, so now let's get on. So what you need to do is you need to go inside the crocodile brackets after the H2 and put space style. Then after that you put equals and then an open speech mark. And then you need to write background color, which I'm doing now. Background background hyphen colour. And can I just say that colour is spelt the American way, C-O-L-O-R, not the English way, C-O-L-O-U-R. So yes, now we've got that done. You must remember to do that because otherwise your website won't work properly. So after you've got the background hyphen colour, you need to do a colon and then the colour that you would like your background to be. So, well, the computer doesn't really support some of the colours, some of the more complex colours. So if you want to find out what colours the computer does support, then just go on to many websites. One of them being We3Schools, which is very good. So I'm going to choose yellow as my background colour because I like the colour yellow. And then you have to do the closed speech marks, and then after that you have got it. So now we need to save it, and then I'll go into Safari and just check that. If I open the file, this should work. Yep, so click on it, and yes, that's exactly what I want it to be. This is how to use styles. The background colour is yellow, and it is in H2, which is the second largest font, and the one I wanted it to be in. Okay, next we're going to move on to doing, so I'm just going to do the next one, paragraph. Yeah, so next I am going to do, so I'm just going to write hello in there. So that is going to be what it says in the paragraph. So if you want to change the font, then you need to do exactly the same again. Go into the crocodile clips. Go after the P or the H2 or whatever symbol you've got there. Space and do style again, exactly the same as last time. Okay, and then you must do open brackets or equal sign first, and then open brackets, which is exactly the same as last time. And then afterwards, this is very important. You must put font, F-O-N-T hyphen family. F-A-M-I-L-Y, font family, and then you need to do a colon just like last time, and then the font that you would like. Now the easiest way to do this is go onto Word, find some of the fonts you like, remember them or write them down, and then just put them into here and it will come up in the font you want. Now one of the main fonts I like is Arial Black, so I'm going to put in Arial Black. So I've got that, and now you need to do the closed brackets, the closed speech marks, which is what I've got, and then you need to save, go back into Safari, click File, Open File, and I'm using Safari, but whatever web browser you're using, maybe Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer, it doesn't matter. So just go on to whichever one you're using, go on to Open File, and then pick on the one you want, and I've got it. So now, it now says underneath the H2, this is how to use styles heading. Just below that, it's got hello written in Arial Black, which is exactly what I wanted it to do, and it says hello. So yes, so that's worked very well. Now, next I'm going to just write another paragraph, same as last time, and this time we're going to be changing the colour of the font. So first of all we need to put in style again, equals open speech marks, font family again, because to do this you need to actually pick the font that you would like. So then this is going to be the same, Arial Black, and then you need to do after. Now this is where it changes. You need to do after the one that you would like. So I've chosen Arial Black. You don't do the closed speech marks, which is what we had to do last time. You do a semicolon, and then you do colour, spelled the American way, COLOR, colour, and then you need to do a colon, sorry, yep, and then you need to do a colon, and then the colour you would like it to be. So I want this to be red. And then you do the closed speech marks, just there, yep, and then you need to write what you want in your paragraph. So I'm just going to write, this is a paragraph. Yep, so I've done what I want. Once again, I save it, go into my my Safari browser, which is the one I'm using, go down to the file I wanted, and look, there we go. Underneath the hello, it says this is a paragraph written in Arial Black with red on it. So guys, I've just explained in this tutorial how to change the background colour, the font, and the colour of the font. So hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in my next tutorial 3 out in the series, and my friend Tom will be doing this one. So yeah, thank you guys, have a good time, see ya.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Felt quite repetitive, you know. Like, open up Safari, that's the one I'm using. Like, you said that about 10 times.
I know, but I don't know.
Okay, it's good, it's good.
Sometimes I just had to fill it in with something because I was like trying to find it. I was like, and like one bit, my open file took a long time to open, and I was like, hurry up. I did that all right, no faults. It worked every single time, so I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's still going.
Must have done